It is prosciutto.
I am not pronouncing Hungarian and Portuguese names.
It is Italian.
Scusi. This is your, I think, your salad thing. They're both the same, no?
It's a salmon khan. What are you having?
Non-veg sandwich.
Okay, that's also mine. Also with
strange.
salmon khan.
I thought, acha, this got ham, so that's why it's a non-veg.
Okay. Where's your other bowl? Okay, we have established this is my salmon and this is also another salmon.
So salmon ek hai, to then that's
Yeah.
yours, no? Separate it out completely.
Yes.
So see, mine is this.
See
Now
how-
I can add the.
Oh, nice. It's a bowl you can make.
Yeah, so I can eat in this, no? I don't need to-
Nice napkins. You. This is bread, by the way. What's all inside? Oh, nice. Gherkins, cucumbers, tomatoes, and the salmon. Really good. Okay, so the rocket leaves, what are usually more expensive and not so good, is 193 only, what I love. Because the freshness level of that is just amazing. And got a nice mustard. Really nice. And splurge. Marmalade, cherry. One of my favorites. What else we have? I don't know if you guys know this. This is sauerkraut. And we got an interesting tofu. And microgreens. What I can never get in Bombay anywhere. And another tofu. This one is a masala one. So guess who gets that? Who gets the masala? Yep. Masala.
For you?
Abbe, look at that. He got me ragi sticks. Tangy mint. Let's see how that tastes. I'm not quite sure about this one. Let's see. Makhani gravy. And now my whole Japanese section is coming.
Moshi.
So I have already the miso soup at home. I got some ramen noodles. And from Koka, one of the brands that I really like, I got the instant rice noodles. So with the miso soup, I can make my own ramen at home. Got the tofu, got the noodles, got the soup. Oh, Two Brothers, if you haven't heard of this brand, they have really nice things. I bought a couple of stuff from theirs and the foxtail millet. And the pricing is about what you usually pay for millets as well. Pay attention, and they are sauces, and we don't know who got which sauce in the bowl. Anyways, I will just probably put a picture up in the community or something like this. Hope you enjoyed the haul. It was fun for us. And I just figured out you getting the sesame. Really nice. Soya, sesame, really nice. And I have something that is with passion fruit, so it has that fruity flavor, what I really like. It's not good for the salad?
Should I mix it in this little?
नहीं, ये मेरा है. वापस रखो.
Mera hai.
हाँ, मेरा है.
Mustard is also yours then.
हाँ, मस्टर्ड मेरा भी है.
Ketchup is also yours.
Ketchup मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Maybe that was for the sandwich that didn't need anything.
Yeah.
Okay.